Hi, I've been thinking about laundry today because it's the 31st of August and we are coming to the end of our monthly focus being on laundry. And I just wanted to really just give you some encouragement and let you know that I think you're doing great. And when we focus on our laundry, if we can get one load of laundry done a day, it really helps to get Mount Washmore down. For those of you with bigger families, when I had 6 of us, I used to have to do at least 2 loads a day, sometimes 3, but now I'm just doing laundry for 1 load a day is plenty, and but it keeps that Mount Washmore down. If I don't do it, if I slip, then I can feel it coming in, and I just don't like that at all. So I just wanted to really just encourage you to, even though we're at the end of August and we're moving on to a new focus from tomorrow, to keep that habit up and not let that slip, because it just makes such a big difference to our homes. When we've got the laundry kind of under control, then we don't have maybe piles of dirty clothes hanging around or piles of clean clothes that are waiting to be folded and put away, so the house doesn't feel as cluttered. So if you can, 1 load of laundry a day. If you need to do more, then that's great. Go ahead and do that. I just really wanted to give you that encouragement for the day.